Hey there, welcome back health seekers. Today we're going to find the most delicious healthy snack options that you absolutely need to try right now. Stop eating those sugary snacks that increase hunger and start snacking with healthier, more nutrient and delicious snacks that boost energy and help you reduce fat. Before we snack into the details, take a moment to zoom out and hit the like button and subscribe to join the better health community. Get weekly content on health, wellness and fitness delivered right to your phone or desktop. As we all know, maintaining energy and overall well-being throughout the day can be a real challenge. One way to keep our bodies fueled and focused is by incorporating healthy snacks into our daily routine. Healthy snacks can help curb cravings, provide essential nutrients, and even support weight management. By choosing the right snacks, we can feel more satisfied and energized between meals. Let's face it, finding healthy snack options that are both tasty and satisfying can be tough. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, feeling hungry, and coming across a snack that looks amazing but is actually just a sugary treat in disguise. It's hard to resist the temptation of junk food, especially when it's convenient and easily accessible. Many of us end up reaching for chips or cookies out of convenience, but these snacks can leave us feeling guilty and unsatisfied. Sometimes, we might even get bored with the same old fruits and veggies and crave something more exciting. We might think that healthy snacks have to be bland and boring, but that's not true. There are so many delicious and healthy options out there, we just need to know where to look. For instance, have you ever tried snacking on roasted chickpeas? They're crunchy, flavorful, and packed with protein. Or what about energy balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruits? They're easy to make, and perfect for on the go. One of my personal favorite healthy snack options is trail mix. You can customize it with your favorite nuts, seeds, and dried fruits, making it a snack that's both healthy and exciting. Another great option is air pop popcorn, which is low in calories and high in fiber. You can season it with herbs and spices for added flavor. A standout snack that's not only healthy but also surprisingly delicious, kale chips. They're easy to make at home by simply massaging kale leaves with olive oil and seasoning, then baking them in the oven until crispy. We've discussed some amazing healthy snack options that you can easily incorporate into your daily life, from roasted chickpeas and energy balls to trail mix, air pop popcorn, and kale chips. These snacks are not only delicious but also provide essential nutrients and benefits. If you have a favorite healthy snack that you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about it. Also, be sure to check out our playlist on superfoods for more healthy inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you next time.